Today on the Home Tip Show, we're going to take a look at the Apache line of gun cases. We're looking at the 2800, the 3800, the 4800, and the 9800 series cases. Today on the Home Tip Show, let's do it. So the Apache cases are designed to compete directly with Pelican. Pelican is the Louis Vuitton line of gun cases and camera cases. It's the top end by far. But you're looking at, while this might be $29 from Apache at Harbor Freight, this one $39, this one $49, and this one $169. You're looking at $70, $120, and just on all the way up to $400 or $500, double to triple the price in the Pelican line. We're going to start by opening up the Apache 2800. Lay it down, unscrew the pressure release valve, pop it open, and there it is. They come with an egg carton at the top, and the bottom has the pick apart foam. So you can see, maybe you can see right here, there are little 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch foam pieces that you tear out, and there's 2 or 3 pieces in here. So the top one is the one that tears apart, and then the bottom one, it also tears apart as well. So you can make it as deep as you want to, or as narrow as you would like. If you happen to tear too much of the foam out, a little spray-on adhesive like you would use with a disc sander, and stick it back in, and it'll be fine. Also, if you notice, around the edge is a waterproof rubber seal, and that is what provides the dust proof and the waterproofing for the case. And the bottom is a corresponding raised edge, which fits right into that sill gap. So when you close it, tighten this down if you need to. If you know it's going to rain, tighten that down. That case is ready to go. All right, the 3800 operates exactly like the 2800, just a bigger version of it. This is the 4800. It's exactly the same, just a bigger version, except when you get to the 4800, you also get side clasps, which I find to be just kind of pretty awesome. I think that I'm gonna use the 4800s when I transport our concealed carry weapons, which when I do our concealed carry weapons, I'll probably lay them in there, kind of like the bottom here, this, and then have one reverse going this way, and then have room at the bottom for the various clips all the way around. So moving on, we'll seal this one back up. And we'll move it aside for now, and we'll now jump to the big daddy of the 9800. The only difference between the 9800 and the smaller ones are that these are equipped with a very nice roller system. You can, grab it by the handle on this end and carry it basically like a pull behind suitcase, which I find just fantastic for carrying it back and forth into the gun range. The other thing I noticed, that these circles in the bottom line up with these squares in the case below it. So when you stack them, they don't move. they're locked in place. Right? I mean, would it be locked in place if you was to slam on the brakes? Probably not. Probably want to wrap a bungee cord around it. But still, I mean, that's not going anywhere. For, you know, just casual driving and in the house applications. Okay, now we're going to take a look at one of the 9800 cases that I bought that has my AR-15 in it. My AR-15 is a BCM Recce 16 MCMR. It's a really good one, and this is what it looks like when you properly cut out all of the little squares or tear out, and you do it right. So down here I can stack 2 clips deep, and I'm still not into the bottom casing or the bottom foam. So this gun is completely safe to carry like this. If you go to a gun range, you're not allowed to just carry your gun in for obvious reasons, right? You might end up getting killed and shot by one of the armed people that work there. But I mean, it fits just absolutely perfect into this case. And you know what? If you happen to make a mistake and you tear one off, or you tear a strip off, just use a little spray-on glue, like for body work, like a DA adhesive glue. Stick it back on. It's not permanent glue, so if you ever need to take it back off in the future, you can just rip it back off, and it's gonna work just fine. So I just think that this really looks nice. I feel like I can travel with true protection of my weapons, and if I put the case down, it goes all the way down now. Well, that wraps up this edition of the Home Tip Show review of the Apache line of gun/camera cases. So please, if you like this review or any other of the reviews I've done or segments I've done for the Home Tip Show, show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up, but more importantly, by subscribing to my channel. Also, today, January 8th, 2022, I'm announcing a new drawing in an effort to attract new subscribers to my channel. You can win a $50 Amazon gift card if you subscribe by hitting the subscribe button in the lower right hand corner of any of my videos. Then, second step, and most importantly, send an email to the Home Tip Show, that's all one word, thehometipshow@gmail.com, with just the word subscribed in the subject line. This drawing is for new subscribers only, not existing subscribers, unless you have a second or third email address that you also have a YouTube account on. Then you can subscribe and participate in this drawing. I will be doing the drawing on February 1st, 2022, and will notify the winner that day. So thank you very much for your time. Hopefully you enjoyed today's show, and we'll talk to you soon. Details about the new subscriber $50 Amazon gift card drawing are also included in the video description.